Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel again. Please if you are new, subscribe it. Today I will talk about this trading strategy, which is the same trading strategy that I've been using the last couple of months. If you haven't seen the previous videos, you should see them to understand this complete trading strategy. First of all, I'm using three indicators in this case. I use the parabolic, the Bollinger Bands, and also the CCI indicator with the default setting. Let me start from zero so you can understand everything and don't get confused. Alright, guys, here we are. We are analyzing 1 minute chart. As you can see here, we have 1 minute chart, and this is to trade option for 1 minute expiration. So the first thing we have to do is go to indicators, get the Bollinger Bands, and then scroll down and get the CCI indicator. So in addition to these indicators, we can use the parabolic indicator to confirm our entry too. But in this case, instead of 1 minute chart, you can also use, for example, 15-second chart to take the parabolic observation and the parabolic signal. But it's not necessary. You can try and you can test it, but in my case, I will use a 1 minute chart only. Okay, because my main signals here are the Bollinger Bands and the CCI. For example, in this case, once the price reached this lower level of the Bollinger Bands and it was in the lower level or the sold zone of the CCI, I was getting ready for an entry. But also we have to combine this with the support and resistance level. Okay, let me see if we can find out another pair. Let me check. Yeah, we may have an opportunity just right here to go down if the price touch the upper Bollinger Band and shows the parabolic signal right here. But it's okay. Let me see some other. Oh, let me see Tesla. Tesla is a great company. It's a great company. It can give us some opportunity in short time frame like this one. Let me see some index too. We have the basic dollar index. They are good to trade, but we need to see the market condition for this kind of asset. I'm just trying to picking up an opportunity in one of these asset, so you can see how this strategy work. We have the commodity composite. Let me see Bitcoin. No, Bitcoin is fluctuating in a range during the all day. All right, we have the silver here. Let's see the silver. Yes, I think it can give me an opportunity here. Let's wait for this candlestick to close to see what happened. Yes, we are seeing rejection just here above with this wick, and we have 10 seconds left. So I think it is an opportunity to go down. All right, let's wait a little bit. Let me take another one just to optimize the price. So guys, let me tell you something about this. How we can combine the market condition with this strategy. Guys, this asset, which is the silver, is trading in a range that you can see here. This is a range. So we have a resistance level here, we have a support level just right here. So whenever the price reach one of the extreme and it made some weakness signal like this one, because these are rejection weak, we can make an entry. I will make another. Oh, we won the first one, and we lost the first one and won the second one. As you can see here, I made another entry, but it got executed a little bit late. So I hope to win it. I know we were reaching a top just right here when this candlestick was created. It was created at the upper side of a range. So I think it may go a little bit down, at least to the middle band. Let's wait. Let's just wait. And this one that I entered, it was too late, but it's okay. Let's see if we can win. Oh yes, we won that one too. All right, we recovered the first loss. And now what we have to do is we can wait for the price to go down again, and then once it's down here on this support zone, we can look for an entry to the upside. I mean a call option, right? So but let me see, because it's pulling back, it's coming back to the resistance level. So if it's coming back to that resistance level, we can have another opportunity if it doesn't broke up this level. Okay, remember this is a resistance level, but if the price broke up that level, the strategy doesn't work. So here again we are having rejection, and we have 38 seconds left on this candlestick. So we need to wait for the closing of this candlestick. All right, it's being rejected. It's being rejected means that a lot of sellers are trying to sell here. Okay, and I'm going to sell too. Right, 3 second, 2 second. All right, here we go. So it's a $15 trade for 1 minute expiration, just because of that. So as I told you at the beginning, the parabolic is sometimes used to confirm the trade for this kind of strategy, but it's not necessary. So if you have been seeing the last video that I uploaded on this channel, you may notice that I don't use the parabolic. I have another trading strategy only with the parabolic, but this is not that case. The most important signal here are the Bollinger Bands and the CCI indicator. Alright guys, we won this trade too. Okay, we lost that one, and then we recover with the next one. Alright guys, I think it will give me another opportunity because now this is the high of the price of the silver right now, this one here. If this candlestick doesn't break up that high and stay above this level of price, it means that we have still sellers here, so that it can be rejected. And we have also the CCI on the overbought zone, which is a signal of weakness for this movement. All right, here we go. Well, to be honest, this is a little bit risky because this kind of candlestick shows strange for the buyers. Even though we haven't closed above the high, it's a little bit risky. But I hope to win this one too. Right. All right. We have 22 seconds left and we are below our entry point, which means that we are winning this trade. Guys, remember to subscribe it and join us in our Facebook group. There we can talk about any strategy or any other thing related to the trading. Guys, that's it for today. I hope you like it. This is a very good way to trade the silver in option. Applying this trading strategy is very simple. And if you haven't opened an account in this broker, below this video you may find the link to the official platform of Olymp Trade and also the mobile app. I see you soon.